Hello art beaters, Becky here with a new video and I hope you enjoy. If you want to keep up to date on all things art beads, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel right now. Enjoy! Hello art beaters, welcome. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I'm Becky with ARTBEADS.com if you're new here, and if you're looking for some inspiration to make some fabulous jewelry, you are in the right place. I have got lots of inspiration for you today. We're going to be talking about a lot of great things today, so hopefully you're ready to be inspired and you're excited. So if you have been following along with our free monthly calendar for 2021, you will know that each month we feature a different beading technique to get you inspired to make jewelry and maybe show you something that you've never done before, encourage you to try it. So last month was simple crochet chain stitch, and this month we are building on that technique with beaded crochet rope. So that is our featured technique of the month. If you haven't downloaded our free calendar for 2021, it is on our blog. I've got a link to it in the video description. You'll definitely want to download that and print it out because there is a different technique featured each month with a lovely little project like this one. We've got the name of the project so you can easily find it on our website, and it's a really great calendar to have. You can write in important dates, maybe plan out your beading projects on here, keep it at your workstation. Really nice calendar that we have for free on our blog. So I do have a link to that in the video description. You're gonna want it, I promise. So I do have some inspiration for that featured technique of the month, as well as a giveaway. We've got a giveaway going on for that technique of the month right now too. So beaded crochet rope, really beautiful technique. This is what it's gonna look like with seed beads. This is a necklace that Cynthia made. She made a really long beaded crochet rope, finished it with some end caps, and then she's got this really beautiful focal here. Her clasp is at the front. She's got a toggle clasp there, some really nice artisan glass beads showcased at the front, and then all kinds of dangles on that chain. This is a showstopper, people. And I'm sure this took her quite a while. We do have a step-by-step tutorial for how to make beaded crochet rope, as well as an Art Beads Cafe video and a video tutorial on beaded crochet rope. You can see me on that Art Beads Cafe. Katie teaches Cynthia and I how to do this technique. I struggled with this technique. It's kind of tricky to get at the beginning, but I did not give up. I went until I got it, and then I was hooked. I couldn't stop making things with this technique. So this is a bracelet that I made with the beaded crochet rope technique. The colors are really fun and Southwest seed beads. So this is really fun. It does work up fast once you get the hang of it, I think. And I love how these pieces look when they're finished with end caps like this. I think that's just a really nice finishing touch. I also made this one with the same blend that Cynthia used here, and I just finished it with bead caps and some fun fuzzy beads. So our seed bead blends, our Art Beads Designer seed bead blends, are really great for a technique like this. Because the colors are already picked out to match perfectly. So you can use them at random, you can add them in striped color blocks, or go for a more complicated pattern. We do have really great tutorials on our website, artbeads.com, for how to do beaded crochet rope. I do have links to those in the video description. It's a really fun technique, a really nice one to try after you've mastered simple crochet chain stitch, because it's like the next step. So don't be afraid of this one. It can be tricky at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's addicting and you won't want to stop. And so to kind of spark your creativity, we do have a giveaway, our technique of the month giveaway. We are giving away some wonderful beaded crochet rope supplies. So I've got in this giveaway some Toho Amiet fine thread. So this is the cord that you're going to be using to crochet crochet with. The fine size is nice for something like this because this is kind of a more intricate technique, so you're going to want a finer cord. I've got a couple tulip crochet hooks included in the giveaway. These are both good sizes for beaded crochet ropes. This one has a nice grip, and then this one is all metal, so you can try two different kinds of tulip crochet hooks. The tulip supplies are phenomenal, so you're gonna really love these. I've got a couple different end cap styles for you, because as you can see, those end caps do make really nice finishing touches for your bead crochet rope. And then I've also got a couple of different ARTBEADS designer seed bead blends in this giveaway as well, because you're going to want to make some beaded crochet rope with our blends, and these two blends already have the perfect colors mixed in together for you. So this giveaway is going on now. It is on our website. I've got a link to it in the video description, and if you just type in giveaway in the search box at artbeads.com, that page will also pop up. So one lucky winner will take home these wonderful bead crochet rope supplies. So you don't want to miss that giveaway. It is going on now, so make sure to enter. Good luck, everyone. Love, love, love that technique. The next thing that I want to try with the beaded crochet rope technique is to make a snake skin pattern, because I think it would look really cool. It kind of feels like slinky and snaky when you're holding it, so I think a snake skin pattern would be really awesome with this technique. So maybe that's my next project. So thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I hope that this inspires you to create some wonderful jewelry. So go out there and make some amazing jewelry. We would love to see it if you do. So thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye.